Honorable Speaker, I rise pursuant to Standing Order number 91 on the issue of statement of facts. Honorable Speaker, is it in order for the Honorable Osoro to claim that the Honorable Gachagua disinherited the wife of the late brother? Honorable Speaker, can he table the facts before this House that he disinherited?
Honorable Kipchumba, order. Order, Osoro. Honorable Kipchumba, those are the facts that the move of the motion placed on the table. It appears you probably were not in the House then. Finish up, Osoro.
Honorable Speaker, I'll refer the Honorable Member to pages 16 to 30 of this very motion that was tabled in this House, Honorable Speaker. And these are facts. And I've also said that, Honorable Speaker, on this particular matter, the threshold is on the 2/3, and we're also working on the balance of probability. We are looking at this matter on how the facts relate or place themselves on the table from the transfer of the properties and also the registration of the companies. I mean, it is clear the facts are contemporaneous. Nobody, unless you don't need to be a rocket scientist to identify this whole thing, Honorable Speaker. And that is why, Honorable Speaker, for this reason, for this very reason, Honorable Speaker, I want to say that I support the impeachment. Please, let's make it early. Even if it at 6, regarding Gachagua must go.
TJ Kajwang will be the last for the morning.
Mr. Speaker, just confirm to me that I can see that there is 1 minute to the hour. Thank you very much. Mr. Speaker, I rise for a very simple reason, that if there is any member who came in this chamber believing that we or the members are going to impeach the deputy president without reason, they can listen to us and we can give them the reasons why we stand noonday to make this presentation. First of all,